It is my great pleasure to introduce the Minister of State for Public Procurement, Digitalisation and eGovernment, Mr. Frank Feighan.
Thank you, Paul, and good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to join you here today for this year's Ireland's conference, Building a Stronger Future. I think coming in the door with all the young people and all the music, I thought I was coming into Copperface Jacks, although I wasn't there for the last 25 years, and I understand now it's called Coppers. Look, I spent the last month going around as a minister, I suppose promoting Ireland. We don't call it Patrick's Day anymore, it's called Patrick's Month in the UK, Singapore and the Philippines, and I'm really, really proud to represent such a great nation as we have, and we learned a lot going around. I just want to thank Foreign Affairs, Borbia, Enterprise Ireland, IDA, and many, many more for the great work that they do. When I was in the Philippines, I used to say, it reminded me of Dougal, what he said to Father Ted. He said, he didn't know much about the Philippines, but he did know it began with an F. The theme of today's event mirrors the ambition of the programme of government, Securing Ireland's Future, a programme focused on investment, reform and delivery. At its heart is a clear mission to imagine a better Ireland and to take the steps to build it. Ireland is moving forward. Our population and economy are growing, as is demand on our public services, infrastructure and natural resources. We are also navigating a period of profound global uncertainty, and in such turbulent times we must rely on strong data to understand patterns, anticipate what lies ahead and make better decisions. We have an ambitious vision for Ireland's future, built on digital and data-enabled transformation, and the largest infrastructure investment programme in the history of the state. The vision is reflected across several national strategies and plans. Better Public Services sets out the direction of travel for a modern, integrated and high-performing public sector. The Digital Public Services Plan 2030 details the actions required to ensure public service transformation. Digital Ireland, Connecting Our People, Securing a Future, sets out the strategy to 2030 for strengthening our position as a global digital leader. And the Accelerating Infrastructure Report and Action Plan outlines a whole-of-government response to reduce barriers to delivery. And the forthcoming public service data strategy will underpin a data-driven public service. And across each of these strategies runs a common thread: digital foundations, strong data governance, and intelligent application of technology to deliver better outcomes. Data-driven decision-making enables us to meet today's needs while also planning ambitiously for tomorrow. And we need to make decisions based on better data, including geospatial data, which is central to how we target resources, plan infrastructure, and respond to emerging challenges. Geographic information systems and related technologies allow us to integrate data sets across planning, housing, transport, water, climate, and the environment. And they deliver timely, accurate, and unified insights, enabling us to prioritise investment and fulfil our commitment to serve the public good. And I fully agree with Paul's reflection on the value of placing location, place and geography at the heart of how we plan, build and protect critical national assets, from housing and transport to communications, energy and water. And these strategies and plans carry a single clear message. We are building a stronger, more digital and more resilient Ireland, deliberately, collaboratively and at scale. GIS is already central to how Ireland delivers infrastructure. It supports planning, coordination and long-term investment decisions while providing a location-based understanding of assets, land constraints, environmental risk and future demand. GIS supports our national digital ambitions by showing where people and services are located and how infrastructure supports access and opportunity. And more importantly, it also strengthens evidence-informed policy making, ensuring digital technologies are grounded in real-world, context-aware data. And Ireland is experiencing a once-in-generation level of infrastructure investment. But investment alone is not enough. To succeed, infrastructure must be coordinated across systems, planned with foresight, and supported by a shared understanding of land, communities, networks, and the environment. GIS enables all of this. It helps ensure that infrastructure is not just delivered, but delivered well, delivered efficiently, and delivered where it matters most. Today's conference brings together leaders from across government, local authorities, utilities, private sector, academia, and the geospatial industry. You are the people who translate strategy into action. Today is about strengthening the partnerships and accelerating progress together. Again, thank you for your ongoing contribution and for your leadership in geospatial innovation and for your commitment to building a stronger, more connected, and more resilient future. I hope you have a mighty day. Thank you.